Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to YouTube's San Miguel de Allende Secrets video channel. Today we're going to talk about Mexico's most famous monster. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets. In Centro, there's a rather nondescript fountain that is known as one of the local residences of La Llorona, the Weeping Woman. The Weeping Woman is an often told tale of a gal named Maria that, in an effort to keep her lover's attention, drowns their two children. Realizing what she has done, she drowns herself. While her children reside in heaven, Maria roams the waterways in search for her kids, or one she can grab to replace them in her watery home. In an effort to keep local kids home after dark, moms warned of the spooky weeping woman living in the fountain in constant search for children out after dark. Once adults, few former San Miguel de Allende children will knowingly pass by the fountain at night. Variations of the legend of La Llorona abound as they do with any ghost story, particularly those that live on from childhood sleepovers to stories of more adult-oriented skinny dipping in La Presa, interrupted by a woman's wails, obviously breaking the mood. Theories abound about where the legend started, and it is long part of Mexican culture that the Weeping Woman continues roaming anywhere there is water, indiscriminately yanking folks to their watery graves. Some feel La Llorona came into her own via a 1940s pop song recently featured in the movie Coco. Others feel her roots go much deeper. Like that in the mid-1500s Franciscan friar Bernardino de Sahagún, who wrote of her in his book, General History of All Things New Spain. Bernardino wrote La Llorona is actually the Aztec goddess Chucacaltol that cried warnings about the arrival of the Spanish and the imminent conquest. In many versions, La Llorona, lover, is a foreigner that leaves her driving her to madness and murder. Consequently, another theory is that La Llorona is actually better known as La Malinche, Hernando Cortez's lover and interpreter, considered by many to be a traitor to Mexico. I find this theory implausible, since there's no mention of La Malinche ever harming her child with Cortez. Both Chucacaltol and La Malinche proposed origins to La Llorona are similar to the Mexican take on the tale of St. Martha, all metaphors for the conquering Spaniards destroying indigenous culture. Once a professor working at a Southwest university, tasked with starting a Latin American club, wrote me how she posted around campus for folks to come to the first meeting, or, quote, La Llorona will get you that night while you shower. The auditorium was filled with laughing students. Arguably, this tale of a centuries-old tale of a child-killing monster is the most famous monster Mexico has produced. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and get notifications throughout the month on different Day of the Dead oriented videos here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.